All right, so I'm going to attempt to show you how to make a vase with the Revolve tool on Revit. So what I did is actually I started off, so I just opened a new file and I just did family. When you do that, it pops up a bunch of different things you can pick. And I just did a generic model because that's usually what you would do, like a void or an extrusion in or a component in. So I just did one that was space-based. And you come here and it pulls up the square with the reference line, and that's kind of what you want to pay attention to is the reference line. So first, then we're going to go to create, and then we're going to go to revolve. Right now we're creating the boundary line up here, and we have different tools we can use. So for vase, we're going to be using more curved tools. Now, I have been working on this for a little bit now, and each time it looks a little wonky, I'll be honest with you, but I'm going to attempt. I'm learning that you need to keep the opening of the vase far away from the center reference line. Otherwise, you have like a tiny opening. And so how could you use a vase if you can't put anything in it? So I'm going to create the line there, and I'm going to use the tangent end arc and let you build an arc off of a pre-existing line. So I'm going to say that's a good neck there, and then I'm going to go down. It's too curvy. It does take me a second to figure out how I want to do this. I feel like it's just going to be way too curvy. Okay, we're going to try something else. We're going to try this tool. And what this does is you start it, and then if you click points along the way, it will decrease the curve. What I'm thinking is that this is too curvy, actually. So if I bring this back and then go back to my arc tool, much better, yes. And then also you want to make sure you don't connect it to the reference line, because then when it revolves, it's just a round orb at the bottom. So how can it sit on anything? So you kind of want to keep it somewhat away from the edge. And then you just want to take the line tool and you want to take it and you just want to connect it to the reference point. And that'll be your flat bottom for it to sit. So it can stay solid and doesn't roll around on you. So then I'm going to take the pick line tool and I'm going to do an offset of 1/4 inch. And I'm going to click the outside of each line. Just one more. And then I'm going to take the draw line tool and I'm just going to draw them. Now, sometimes it likes to, and it did it, likes to shoot it off the end. And I don't know why it does that. It only does it when it's off of the reference line. So I might do it on this one. You see, nope, that worked. So what you can do is you just go down to the bottom here and you just click this and you just shift it till it connects. Okay, so then that's good to go. And then the next tool, or the next thing you have to do is you have to pick the axis line. So I'm just going to pick the line that I've drawn it on. I'm going to go down. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to hit the green check mark, which is going to mirror it. And then I am going to go into 3D mode. And now you can see my vase that I've made. And this is probably the most normal one I've made. Yeah, so that's not bad. But yeah, so that's kind of how the Revolve tool works. You can use it to make a lot more symmetrical things, and just on one line, you create one profile, and then it just revolves it, and you can create so many things. So I think it's how they create really cool families and stuff like that. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know.